I have already done installing, so this is the clean out. So if they have some problem, so you have to move this. Then this is the air vent going up to that area. So that is the water closet, the bowl, and the floor drain. So we're done finish installation of the plumbing of the bathroom. So we'll be putting the runner connected, going so tomorrow we'll continue. So we are already putting the deck priming. So we have already done finished installing the three runner area. So tomorrow we continue in this area putting the runner. So this is Tres Aguas in this area, going there. So the patio framing is almost done, as you can see. So almost done, already putting all the runner, the patio. So all the tubular posts already installed. So that's the patio framing. Next week we will continue putting all the framing in the purlins, the runner. So and bridging on the deck. So that's the patio right now. So right now we're installing the roofing sheet. So that area, then and we start on that area, then we will meet in this area. So we're installing right now the roofing sheet. So that's the roofing sheet of the patio. So after this we finish all installing the roofing sheet, we'll start the railings and the stair, this area. The roofing sheet. So all the deck framing is already done, finished. It's already done, installed. All the decking framing. So this is the decking framing of the patio. It's already done, finished. So it's only one in this area. We'll continue tomorrow. This area. So, but in this area it's already done, finished. So maybe next week we will purchase the roofing so that we can install the roofing, because the purlin is already installed. Then we will put first the fascia frame. So we will buy fascia frame to be put on this area, the fascia frame. Then after putting the fascia frame, we'll install the roofing sheet. So that's the, if you look, so this is the patio. So the decking is already done, finished. So in that small area left, we'll continue tomorrow. Then we'll install the fascia frame. So we will buy tomorrow materials, fascia frame, so that all the fascia frame. Then next week we'll put the roofing sheet. Then continue then we'll put the anti-rust gray primer. We'll put the gray primer, all of that tubular. So that's look like. So that's the patio. So we'll put in area the so that patio. So we'll put the stair on that area, and another stair on that area. So in this area and that area. So one stair in this area and another on that area. But in the front, no stair, only railings. So that the patio. In this area, we have already putting the purlins on the patio. So already putting the purlins on the patio. So that's purlins. So we're welding on this to connect the this. So we need to put the cement. So that area tomorrow we're going to put the bridging on the decking framing. So purlins will be putting that area. So we'll continue putting purlins tomorrow and bridging in the decking area, framing in the decking area. So now still putting the tubular purlins this area. So in this area what we call tres aguas because it's been a 45 position, so you make tres aguas on that area. So that's why so you have putting the tubular purlins. So in this area we will make a 45 degree because it's what we call tres aguas. So the decking of the patio is already done, finished. This area in the front. So this is the decking. So this is the decking. It's already done, finished. Putting all the tubular. So this area is not yet finished. So this area is already finished. So tomorrow we'll continue in this area and in this area because short of materials, so we need to purchase the 2x4 tubular and the 2x2 tubular on the purlins. So in this area it's really done the purlins. So in this area it's not done, finished. So the PVC PVC for the what is already putting, so we need three pieces of PVC pipe to going into the septic tank. So it's the decking of the patio. So that's the patio. So ready for putting the roof sheet because already done, finished the putting the purlins. So only the decking to continue tomorrow. This is the new purchase of a tubular a while ago. So to continue to put in that area.